Here we have a jet 15 by 50 lathe, cam lock spindle, a Loris tool post, some holders, follow rest, steady rest, live center. Will come with a face plate and a 4-jaw chuck also. Machine is inch metric. Charts are in great shape. Machine was in the garage of an old timer's house. These jets were a little better made back then. This is probably from the 80s when they were made in Taiwan. Right? Brake works. We're running at 680 RPM. Longitudinal feed. Cross feed. Low speed. Go to, let's see. It's quiet in all the speed ranges. That was 2,000 RPM. The ways are good. There's not a single groove, line, chip, or anything else. The screws are nice and tight. The dials are big. They never bang the front of the compound or the cross slide. It was used by one person in the garage of his house. So this machine's in real good shape, real tight. It's 230 volt 3-phase, but we can supply it with a static phase converter, which is what the guy had it running on. Check this out and more at mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com.